France has unveiled its latest breakthrough in military drone technology, the Akeron RCX50, a lightweight loitering munition developed by MBDA France in collaboration with Novadem. Officially tested and approved by the French Ministry of the Armed Forces, the RCX50 is designed for special operations and precision strikes against enemy equipment, marking a significant step toward France's strategic autonomy in defense. This compact rotary-wing UAV can carry up to 500 grams of payload, including explosives, and operate within a 5 km range for up to 40 minutes. What makes the RCX50 stand out is its ability to hover in standby mode, land and shut off its rotors to conserve power, and take off again when a target is detected, an ideal capability for stealth missions in dense urban environments. To navigate in contested electromagnetic conditions, it uses a hybrid system combining satellite-based GNSS and inertial navigation, allowing it to stay on course even when GPS is jammed. Target identification is handled manually through a tactile console, with built-in visible and infrared cameras enabling day and night operations. Only after visual confirmation by the operator does the drone switch to autonomous attack mode, reducing the risk of collateral damage. While it doesn't yet feature full AI, the RCX50 uses advanced image processing to recognize shapes, contours, and contrasts, allowing it to distinguish between people, vehicles, and structures without making autonomous strike decisions. As part of MBDA's broader Akeron weapons family, which includes medium and long-range missiles as well as heavier loitering drones like the RCH170, the RCX50 shares unified systems and interfaces that simplify training and enhance battlefield coordination. Small enough to be carried by a single soldier, folded dimensions, 510 x 510 x 220 mm, this drone is tailor-made for special forces, urban clearance missions, and operations in radio silence zones. The Akeron RCX50 represents a new era of warfare, precise, stealthy, human-controlled, and ready for real-time deployment at the infantry level.